Welcome back, boys. We are back at it like a bad habit, and we're installing car parts on Mika's FRS. So he's changing up his build a bit, and we're going to do the TRD kit, I guess. We get the lip and the side skirts all paint matched, and we have some black accents to go with it. So it's gonna look really nice. He currently has a splitter on, so we're gonna have to take the front bumper off and do that whole process. But looks like it came out pretty well, and it's really flexible too, which is really cool. It's like polyurethane, the front lip is, so it's like you can bend it all you want. Pretty cool stuff. But we're gonna get on to it, and then we'll pick you guys back up once we kind of start doing stuff. So we got the front bumper off, super easy. But it's a good time to, if you guys have custom headlights or aftermarket ones, to do all your wiring fixing. So like this type of stuff, right? We're probably gonna fix it in the future here. But it's a good opportunity to do that. But it is dirty, very dirty. But we're gonna try to figure this out. I don't really think this comes with directions, but how hard can it be? We'll give you guys updates if we have any running problems. So we kind of figured out one side and kind of how it all works. So I'm just going to give you guys a brief rundown of kind of how to do this if you guys fall upon this video for whatever reason. Your weather stripping, basically it's supposed to go on your side skirt, right? And it's basically supposed to follow this. This is what all contacts your car, and they basically provide it just in case you're worried about this particularly messing up with your paint on your car already. So you can put it on, comes with some sticky stuff, right, and your slapper on there, and it'll look fine. So yeah, that's optional if you want to run that. Furthermore, this is how you're gonna get 3 brackets, and you're gonna get a bunch of gold hardware. Is just for the brackets. Basically there's a crimp side underneath your car, and it's going to sit like this underneath it. So essentially you're going to have pre-cut out drill holes right there, right? So essentially your bracket, if I can get this right, there we go, is going to sit right here. So you're basically just going to tighten that up against the body, and then that part is going to go underneath the crimp side, and you just push that down. It basically just holds itself there. And then all the 3M tape that you're going to get, this stuff is going to sit essentially all along here, or kind of wherever it's going to sit on the body. So yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to have some clips like this, and you're going to have some gold ones. These are supposed to clip to the body. So I'll show you the back ones for right now. Actually, no, let me show you the front ones. So you have your silver ones and you have your gold ones, and your black hardware is going to be for these clips. So essentially, these clips are going to go and replacement of right here. So you have 3 little clips, right? 1, 2, and 3. The bottom 2 you need to take out. They're super easy. You just get a flathead or just a Phillips, pop them loose and pop them off. What's going to happen is that there's a little metal piece right where all these clips are at, and basically you're just going to slide this onto there, and then the black plastic piece goes over it, and then you just put your bolt through, and that's how you use those bolts that come with it. I'll show you guys what I mean when I actually get it on and such, so it makes a little clarity. So you have the 2 back here. You're supposed to have a couple back here, but I really don't know kind of what happened back here. Just don't want to focus, but you guys can't see it anyways. There's no holes, so I guess we're probably not going to use them, but that's pretty much it. Super easy, and let's get to it. Basically what I mean by your metal clips, they're going to sit right underneath here, and so basically when you put your bolt through right here, it's just going to screw right in for your side skirt for the drilled holes. Alright, so we got this side all done, pretty easy. Just word advice, make sure you put the 3M on first, obviously, before you put it on, but also have the part of the bracket already on the side skirt, fairly loose, just because if you put the car on with the 3M and then try to put the brackets on, it's just a bitch. So just don't do it. We did find out that there is nothing back here on this back side for us. I don't know if you're supposed to drill something or what, but honestly, after putting the 3M and then putting all the brackets on and using the 2 screws up front, we really didn't have any problems with this thing moving at all, man. It's pretty much on there. So he's finished something like that. We had a little bit of fitment issues, so he's going to try to fit that on there, and I think that should help it. But that's what this side looks like. Here's what this side looks like. It looks pretty good. Digging it. Looks great, boys. It looks great. As he finished up the last part of the side skirt, what we're going to do essentially is go to the bumper over here, and we're going to be basically taking off this, the splitter on it right now, so we can get it prepared for the lip. Lip looks pretty self-explanatory. Doesn't look like there's much to it. It just looks like there's just 3M. I don't know. I don't see any other hardware we're supposed to be using. Actually, wait a minute. As my mic falls. There is hardware for it. There's a little bag, there's a couple brackets and some nuts and screws and clips and such like that. So we'll, as our adventure continues, I'll give you guys an update on what the hell to do with all this. So I don't see any pre-made screws or anything, so here we go. Alright, I've been slacking on the updates a little bit, but we got it done, taken care of. The front lip was kind of weird because this one isn't exactly a TRD. Like it's a TRD lip, but it's not like from Toyota. So some of the hardware is a little bit different, but it looks like some of it's just really weird. I don't know what to say. But we got it on. We used some 3M, and then we used the bolts that came for the side of the lip. As you guys can tell right there, we used those. So it's on there. Because of the whole front FRS front bumper sag, man, it's booty sometimes, and it feels like the whole thing isn't on, but it's on there for the most part. It looks pretty cool. Once he backs up, we'll do a little shoot, kind of see how it looks in the sun. All right, Mika, what do you think?
I'm pretty happy with it. It's pretty flush.
Damn, yeah, that looks pretty good, man. Boys, that's pretty much it. Me and Michael, I just called you Michael. Mika over here. We finally finished up the lip and side skirts. Looks really good. I wish I could run this type of side skirt or front lip on mine, but I like canards and shit, so it is what it is. But it looks good. Another episode of installing shit on this car. We'll probably be doing some new stuff as well. Probably another fucking wing in the near future. Who knows what's gonna happen with his car. But anyways, my name is Wes. I'm out. Deuces.